Welcome back, sellers. In today's tutorial, we're creating a baby bingo game with a cozy fall theme, perfect for autumn baby showers. Let's jump right in. First, let's pick our base template so we don't have to start from scratch. This will save us so much time. Let's scroll a little bit. This one looks perfect. It's simple and clean. A great starting point, but it doesn't exactly scream fall, right? So let's make a few tweaks. Let's start by deleting the current illustrations. We'll add our own seasonal touches in a second. Now, I'm changing the font to Edwardian script because I want to give it that elegant fall look. Instantly feels more refined already. Next, let's go to Elements, click on Illustrations, and type Fall. I'm looking for some fall leaves, but I don't want the typical bright oranges. Let's see what we find. Templett's illustrations are seriously so cute. It makes you want to use them all. This one's perfect, exactly what I had in mind. Let's add it in, play around with the layout until it fits just right. Once it's in place, go ahead and duplicate it to add the same design at the top. Adjust things as needed so everything looks balanced. There you go. It's already coming together beautifully. Now we need to play with the colors a bit. For the heading, I'll go to Colors, switch to Color Fill. Then I'll use the eyedropper tool to pick a nice bluish tone from the illustration. Now for our grid, let's repeat the same process, but this time I'll go for yellow or something similar. Beautiful. Now I'll add a background color, something light and creamy yellow. I'm loving it already. It feels cozy, elegant, and perfectly fall-inspired. Let's give it a final look. Check spacing, alignment, and make sure everything looks polished. And there we go. Our fall baby bingo design is complete. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more template tutorials for seasonal design ideas.